It's time to get this going. Put this off long enough. So here she is. I think Matt called this a crime scene. This is what she looks like from the top after being power washed. So we'll now go underneath and see what's happening. All right, so initial inspection is, besides melting a motor mount, that the right side of the block is fine, intact. Let's go check the other side. Here we go. So I suspected that the pump might have gone, but it doesn't look like it. So let me go deeper. Front of the engine looks pretty good. No obvious breaks aside, but the obvious culprit is right there. That is the bottom of the oil pan, and you can see it's dripping right there. Looks like piston 1 decided to exit stage left. We'll have to tear the engine apart, see how much damage is there. The block externally seems to be together, but God knows how much damage is internal. We'll see. So after one solid day's work, here's where we are. You can see the electrical is mostly done. All the front end hoses, liquids are all out. Just got to take off the fuel lines, cross X pipe, drive shaft. Got a few more connections on the bottom, but after that, this baby's ready to be dropped. Just put a trans jack, put a table underneath, and lift the car off the motor. Thought I'd clean the lens this time, so little update. You can see we removed, basically she's ready to come out. Drop straight down. Got all the wiring, all the plumbing. You've even gone inside. Ready to drop that straight down. The only thing left, cross pipe, X pipe, drive shaft, and that's it. Put it on table, take the 6 bolts or 8 bolts and drop it down. Or more importantly, raise up the car.